In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Proton Mail Support. Start by opening your browser and going to proton.me/support/contact. This is Proton's official support contact page, and it's the fastest way to reach the right team for your issue. On the page, look for the Select a Topic dropdown. Choose the topic that best matches your situation. Picking the closest match helps route your message to the specialists who can help you quickest. Next, enter your contact email address. This is where Proton will send replies, so use an address you actively check. Then provide your Proton account username or the email associated with your Proton account. This helps the team locate your account details securely and speeds up troubleshooting. In the message box, describe the problem clearly. Include what you were trying to do, what happened instead, and any exact error text you saw. If it's a recurring issue, mention when it started and how often it occurs. Concise, specific details are more useful than long narratives. Do not include sensitive information like passwords, recovery codes, or full payment details. Now add your system details. Choose your operating system, then select the OS version. Pick the browser you're using and its version as well. If you're contacting them about a Proton app, include the app version. If you're not sure where to find versions, a quick check in your browser or app's About section usually shows it, and on mobile you can often see it on the app's page in your app store. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy. When you're ready, click Send Message. You should receive a confirmation or an email shortly after. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder, and be ready to provide any follow-up details they request, without sharing sensitive credentials. That's it. With a clear topic, complete contact info, a focused message, and accurate system details, you'll give Proton support everything they need to help you efficiently.